Hey, this is David with Froggy Fly, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto advance your multi-page gravity form on a text field or a number field. Now, this option is perfect if your form relies on some sort of uniform number of characters, like a zip code or maybe a membership ID. And since the number of characters is always the same, you can use the Multipage Auto Advance Pro or the Plus version to make this work super easily. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you how to set this up. So I've already gone ahead and created a form. I just called it testing numbers and characters. If you're new to Gravity Forms, this is really simple. Once you add the plugin to your website, just click New Form, give it a name, and you'll end up on a page that looks like this. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add single line text. And then I'm also going to add the number field. Now, you can keep just one field on the form if you want to. You don't need to add both. So, for example, if you just need to have some sort of membership ID login, you could theoretically just use your text field, put that on the page, and hide the submit button. And whenever somebody types in the membership ID, it will go ahead and log that they came in, or however it works for your business. Okay. But for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this a zip code. And this might be good if you just need to get zip code information from somebody, and you want them to be able to auto advance after they enter those 5 digits. And then instead of number, we're just going to call this, let's call it membership ID number. All right, now there's one more setting or one more thing that we need to add to make this work as a multi-page form, and that is a page break. So for those new to Gravity Forms or new to the multi-page part of Gravity Forms, what I've done is I've created 2 pages. I've got my first page here. I've got my second page here. Okay. Now, within each of these fields, if you scroll down on your settings, you'll see an option that says Auto Advance. I'm going to click that, and you'll see options for Auto Advance Form, Hide Next or Submit button, and Hide the Previous button. So in this one, I'm going to go ahead and auto advance the form. I'm going to hide the next button, and I'm going to hide the previous button. And then for this, I'm going to select 5 characters because it's going to be a zip code. And then up here in the general option, I'm also going to just put in here maximum number of characters, 5. All right. So that's got our zip code field set up, and that is a text field. So now let's go down to our membership ID. This is a number field. So again, auto advance form. You could hide the submit button if you wanted to, or you could leave it so that they actually have to push the button, but I'm going to go ahead and hide it just for demonstration, and then I'm going to hide the previous button. This one, I'm going to do 6. So after they enter 6 characters, it will auto advance and do whatever you need it to do next. Okay. After you're done with that, just click Save Form. And then I've already set up a page here with this form in it. And this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and just make sure that we're not caching anything here. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you get it all set up. Now, I've used Beaver Builder and the ultimate add-ons for Beaver Builder to easily add the form into the page. Otherwise, you can use the shortcode to add the form into the page, but this is just a pretty easy way to do it. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and enter a zip code. So we'll just do 12267, and it auto advances. And then a membership ID. You see the submit button is hidden here. And I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it auto advances. Okay, so that is how you use the multi-page auto advance Pro or Plus version to auto advance your text fields and your number fields. You can find that at multipagepro.com. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'd be happy to answer.